Good day, everybody. Welcome to another video here. Today's June 4th, 11:36 p.m. a.m. Sorry, we're going to talk about this popular article on CNBC right here called CNBC.com. Crypto firm says thousands of digital currencies will collapse. Compare market to early .com days. Not just those days as well, but to the early days of when Ford launched the Model T. Okay, it's the same idea. This happens in many industries. So this came from Davos, which happened last week, the WEF forum, World Economic Forum. Crypto did have a presence there. So they had Brad Garlinghouse, the CEO of Ripple, which runs XRP. But let's go through this article. So there's 19,000 cryptocurrencies out there, probably if you go to CoinMarketCap or whatnot. Blockchain platform such as Ethereum, underlying technology, but many of these cryptocurrencies are built upon, okay? And when you look at, again, as it says here, the Terra USD or USDT collapse a few weeks ago, I did look at the, because it's still listed on Kraken. It's like dead to the world. It's like it's completely dead. And apparently that crash sent shockwaves to the world. And there's other currencies, cryptocurrencies, that are even worse off. So many people are confused by it again, right? Too many blockchains out there, and it's bringing some risks for users on legitimate crypto exchanges. For me, it's Kraken. Okay, so like I said, at the beginning of the internet, you'll have a lot of .com companies, and a lot of them were scams. We're not bringing any value, and all that got cleared. And now we have very useful and legit companies. You know, out of that came, Amazon, Facebook. So useful indeed. So that was from the Web3 Foundation CEO. Okay, now we get into Ripple. The guy Ripple, I think that there's a question about whether or we need 19,000 new cryptocurrency coins. Look, I've seen Paris Hilton coin, I've seen Trump coin, I've seen all of these useless coins, and it's pretty evident that, you know, they will drop off. They're just trying to make a buck at it. Okay, in the fiat world, there's maybe 180 currencies. Okay, out of that, how many are you trading? Not many, right? So most crypto is junk, and a lot of people will agree with that. Obviously, Bitcoin and Ethereum will survive. I agree with that wholeheartedly. And over the last few months, those are legitimate ways to get exposed to the market. And usually either Bitcoin or Ethereum, usually Bitcoin, its direction sets the direction for all the other coins. Like 6 months ago, a year ago, you used to get 10 coins that always trade against Bitcoin. And you was still an opportunity out there. That's not happening anymore. That's why things are just not worthy. You will lose money if you try it, from what I've seen and tested. Okay, so Bitcoin is off more than 50% from November. Okay, everything else, all the other digital tokens, as said, fell sharply from their all-time highs. So are we past that? Are we no longer going to see these big upswings like with this so-called crypto winter? I'm not sure if it's going to come back. And if it does, again, you might as well trade safely and in a protected way, as I've hinted in the past, using just Bitcoin, Ethereum, and maybe a couple other coins, right, that you like. Now this is the guy at FTX US. Hundreds currently in existence will not survive. Many different platforms from Ethereum to Solana are vying for leadership in the industry. Let me talk about a good example of this. So for Ethereum, it's gas fees. That's what's killing off Ethereum. That's why it's not performing as well as it could, right? Then you got Solana, which was promising to eat into Ethereum's lunch. The problem with Solana, which happened yet again, they had a network outage, and that coin, Solana, got killed. I think it got killed off 12% because of that. So if you're going to try to build a future investment on a Solana with that kind of news, and it's happened, I think, at least twice where the network's gone out. So that technology, credibility is gone. I hate to tell you. To understand the history of Solana, this was pushed out by a lot of these HFT firms last year, and it was easily, outside of AXS, probably the second best performing coin. It returned up to 7 times in a matter of like a month or two, and it did really good. And since then, obviously, like everything else, it hasn't come back. But they're trying to build on top of it. But these network outages do not help its cause. When you think about blockchains, there won't be hundreds of different blockchains in 10 years. There will be a couple of clear winners. I think they're already established. Bitcoin and Ethereum are it. Here's how I look at it. Ethereum's good for building out what they're trying to do, Ethereum or Web3 on top of the Ethereum blockchain. You can get domain names off it. You can, who knows, you can do so much with that blockchain, Ethereum. And that will be a clear winner, and that's the direction as we define Web3. If they gotta fix those gas fees though. If they can't fix gas fees, no one's gonna want to be on it. And then the other one's Bitcoin for transactional. And already, when you look at what's happened a few months ago with Bitcoin, that trade show in Miami, some big news came out of it. McDonald's, Walmart will offer payment through the Bitcoin Lightning. So with Bitcoin Lightning, again, is really making it happen for Bitcoin where you can use it for payment. And that's got the banks scared quite a bit, because that takes out their ability to lose that control. And same with the IMF, and same with the central banks. So that battle could come on, and you want to be on the right side of history, which is really wanting to see Bitcoin come out as the winner, being independent of the banking and basically the global cartel. All right, so we'll leave it at that. So there's a lot of truth to this statement in this article. And again, if you want to know how to do well with Bitcoin right now, or not Bitcoin, but just crypto generally, we got this video, 2-hour video I've got. Go to quantlabs.net/banking, fill out your info, and you would get into learn about where to hodl. Because I haven't mentioned any of the coins that do well and still do well and still have the principal philosophy of what Bitcoin was about. We'll leave it at that. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.